What is the difference between proxy and VPN? Let me clear all doubts today. When you use internet, websites can see your location. Your data can be read or tracked, and some sites may be blocked, and that's why proxy is needed. You use them when you want to hide your location quickly, or maybe in certain regions, if some contents are restricted, then you can use proxy to access it. But here, data is not secure. It only helps at surface level, and hence VPN comes into the picture. We use VPN when we want privacy plus security. When you want to use inside bank or office or public Wi-Fi, you want your data end-to-end encrypted for the security concerns so that no one can see what you're doing. And that's why we need to use VPN here. So basically, proxy is for access and VPN is for protection. Let me explain you with this setup. So whenever you use the internet to open a website, watch videos, or log into your bank, your data travels from one device to the internet, right? Now, how the data travels is what really matters. In the first row, we can see that your device directly talks to the internet. No protection, no security. That means websites can see your location. Your IP address is exposed. Into public Wi Fi, someone can even read your data. It's like shouting your message in a crowded room. Everyone can hear it. Now look at the second row. This is using a proxy. Here, your request goes through proxy server first. So instead of your identity, the website sees the proxy. The good part is your IP is hidden here. But here is the problem. Your data is not encrypted. The proxy can still see everything and hacker can still intercept it. It's like asking your friend to deliver your message. The receiver doesn't know it's you, but your friend knows everything. So now the third row. This is where things get serious. With VPN, your data is encrypted before it leaves your device. And then it goes through secure tunnel to the VPN server. This means your identity is hidden, your data is locked, even hacker can't read it. It's like putting your message inside a locked box. No one can open it except the destination. Hope that's cleared out. Follow Java Treasure Tech for more.